Okay guys, ito yung last na papanoorin. A very big shoutout kay Pop Updates po, no? Kay Pop Updates, no? So, ang title po nito guys is Direct Lauren Jogi shares how Beanie invited to Coachella. Okay na. Panoorin na ito guys, no? And I think meron siyang babanggitin dito mga bagay na hindi natin alam, no? So, sa mga nakapanood nito, please, walang spoiler, no? Ngayon ko na talaga ito mapapanood, no? Okay, tara, let's go!
Hindi siguro ko sa mga kasamahan ko, ayoko munang sabihin na we made it or you laging hindi may parang pag inisip mo kasi yun, titigil yung ano mo, titigil yung gigil mo to go further.
Yeah.
Diba? So, kailangan wag ka munang, okay, we're getting this, but there's malayo pa tayo dun sa talagang ultimately arena ang nagpa-perform kayo sa napakalaking 70,000 abroad, ha? We're talking about locally, abroad. Yun yung naman talagang target ng, yun talaga yung full circle na yung vision natin. Na, wow, nakapagdala tayo ng Pilipino. Ito lang talagang actually to think of it, naka-proud naman talaga na naimbitahan tayo sa Coachella.
Can you give us a backstory there? Like, how did it happen? When did it happen?
Okay guys, no, to stop the speculations po guys, no. Yes, si Direk Lauren na mismo ang nagsabi, no, naimbitahan po ang Beanie. Hindi sila like nagbigay ng entry or ano ba, para mas maintindihan nyo, nag-audition, yung mga ganun. Hindi sila dumating sa point na yun. Talagang inimbitahan po talaga sila, no. I think nakita yung kanilang yung reach, yung mga audience nila, and at the same time yung engagement nila guys, no. As in, I think nakita ng Coachella yun, no, na pwede makakatulong din to sa kanila, no, since Beanie nagpe-perform sila all over the world, no. So I think yun yung pinaka reason, no. At the same time na-appreciate nila yung talent po talaga ng Beanie, no? Hindi mo naman makukuha ng isang grupo, no, nang hindi mo siya i-research, since Coachella is a very big event po guys. So nakarinig nyo naman kanina, no, sa yung interview po ng ating mga solidong mananahayon, no, si Ryan Confridan, Anthony Lee, no. Sa kanila na nakatira sa ibang bansa, which is yan, doon sila sa lugar na yun, no. Coachella is a very big event, no. So makapasok ka lang doon kahit hindi ka headliner, it's a very big thing po yun, no. So as in solid, no. Kaya doon pa lang guys, makapasok ka lang kahit hindi ka headliner, kahit nga isang performance ka lang or dalawang kanta lang guys, napakalaking bagay na po nun, no? Kasi maraming tao, maraming mga media all over the world ang manonood doon guys, no? As in, kaya ayun, malaking bagay para sa atin po yun guys. Okay.
Laging ang nasa utak natin, di ba, one way to go international is to be invited in the big festivals. And Coachella is Lollapalooza and Coachella. Those are so when it was a vision of CLK to hire an international group of consultants who will guide us in terms of how do we bring our artists to the global arena. So we are guided by that. So we were connected to kasi abroad naman agents.
Correct.
Tayo sanay tayo na when we bring a show abroad, Filipino yung katrabaho rin natin. Ngayon,
tama yung sinabi ni Direk Lauren. Kasi, di ba, pag halimbawang nagko-concert ang Beanie sa ibang bansa, no, ang kanilang mga contact doon is mostly mga Pinoy. Meron din mga foreign guys, meron din mga foreign, like mga staffs or kung sino man in charge doon, no, meron din. Pero mostly mga Pinoy din po talaga, no. So, eto, meron siguro Pinoy, pero ilan lang. Pero mas lamang dito, I think, mga foreigner po talaga guys. As in, hindi mga Pinoy po guys, no.
Naging when we
no problem, Pop Updates. Ikaw pa, solid. Subscribe kayo kay Pop Updates guys, ha. Subscribe kayo.
We're able to get an agent, nadala tayo sa promoters na non-Filipinos. And these promoters, ang vision talaga nun, if we are able to impress the promoters, itong mga promoters na to, sila rin yung magdadala sa atin sa festival. So we needed to impress our promoters. So that's Live Nation, that's All Things Live, lahat ng yan. So itong world tour, recent world tour.
Yeah, so that was it.
It was an investment. Wala tayong kita dyan. It was really a risk on our end. It was really CLK's vision. Tita Cory saying na, hindi, gawin nyo yan. Kailangan yung gawin yan. World tour, recent.
Pakinggan nyo to guys, ha. Itong sinabi ni Direk Lauren.
Lahat ng yan. So, Itong World Tour, recent World Tour,
Yeah, so that was it.
it was an investment. Wala tayong kita dyan. It
Yeah.
was a
Diba? Yung world tour na ginagawa nila guys, no, wala silang kita dyan as in it's either nga. Pero I'm pretty sure naman guys, hindi sila to the point na magna-negative, no. I think same lang, or kung may kita, maliit na porsyento lang po guys, no. Pero ginagawa nila yun syempre for the promotion. At the same time, mas tumaas yung engagement ng BINI, no. Mas makilala po talaga ang BINI all over the world. Kasi kaya naman yan guys, kung pag gusto mo talagang sumikat or what, kailangan mo talagang mag-invest, no? Kailangan mo talagang magsakripisyo, kailangan mo talagang gawin yung mga ganung bagay para talaga mas sumikat. Kasi hindi naman pwede na same lang yan, no? Hindi pa nga kayo sikat, pero gusto mo agad kumita ka guys, so hindi pwedeng ganun, no? So yun, yan naman nangyari ngayon sabihin, di ba? Kailan na po talaga.
really, it was really a risk on our end. It was really CLK's vision, Tita Cory saying na, hindi, gawin nyo yan. Kailangan yung gawin yan. Because that's a month of being away from more lucrative opportunities locally. But we took that risk. We went there. Talagang, first time, di ba? Dikit-dikit na lugar. Minsan nga, hindi ko naintindihan. May Houston na, may Dallas pa. 2 hours lang yan. Dito sa atin yan. Biyahin lang nila yan. But we needed to be able to prove that somehow we have a crowd. We have an audience. And after that, after the world tour, boom, that's before the end of, hindi, kailan ba to? Parang pagbalik natin, we had big shows
July,
kasi in
diba?
Dubai, in LA, in San Francisco. Parang yung the important decision makers were impressed that, there's something in BINI. So we got an invitation to be part of so sabi ng tao ngayon, binayaran daw natin. Hindi naman po totoo yun.
Hindi ganun hindi po ganun.
Narinig niya na guys. May mga nagko-comments din yan guys na may mga nagko-comments with S talaga. Pero so marami talaga, may mga nagko-comment talaga kahit sa mga video ko guys, no. Na mga nag-speculate na binayaran daw nila para makapasok sila doon. And meron minimum na ganyan. For me guys, ang pwedeng maging sariling nila rito is I think yung mga extra expense nila like costumes, like syempre sa mga staff nila guys, tapos yung ano pa ba, not sure lang guys kung kasama yung kanilang airfare guys, so not sure, hindi ko lang sure yun, pero meron silang babayaran dyan guys. Pero yung mismong invitation na mag-perform sila ron, no, I think hindi nila ipipilit yun guys, no, na magbayad sila para makapag-perform ang BINI po doon, no. Kasi at the same time noon guys, mas win-win situation naman yan guys. I think mas win-win, mas lamang dito ang Coachella guys, kasi mas kikita sila ticket sales, engagement, mga sponsors guys, no, as in kikita rin po talaga sila dyan. Kaya kukuha sila ng alam nilang mag-work sa event po talaga nila, no.
Hindi po ganun.
Wala tayong pambayad.
kahit na meron, 'di ba? Sa standing natin ngayon, dun ba ilalagay, 'di ba?
Pero we have to prepare for it.
Yeah.
We have to prepare
So
the
that
girls
whole
for that.
world tour was sort of an audition.
Yes. And we were still not convinced that was good enough. We felt that it will take two more schedules of a world tour parang makakuha pa tayo ng traction, especially with the important promoters.
So ayun guys, subscribe tayo. Subscribe kay Papa Updates. Okay. So ayun guys, no, na mismo kay Direct Lauren Jogi na mismo nagsabi guys, no, na yun nga, ayun yung mga nangyari po na sa mga bagay-bagay na. So sa mga nag-speculate dyan, siya na po mismo nagsabi na I think hindi naman sisirain ni Direct Lauren yung reputasyon niya na magsasabi siya ng mga kasinungalingan guys, no, para lang, alam mo yun, mag-iba yung kwento po guys, no. I think hindi niya i-release yun guys, since Direct Lauren is a very well-known personality, no. As in, isa sa mga malaking pangalan sa industriya po yun guys, no. Kaya hindi niya sirain yun, no. So ayun, sa mga nag-speculate dyan, sa mga nagsasabing nagbayad sila, yan na po, paki-send na lang po itong video ni Papa Update sa kanila. So ayan, solid na itong video. Very big shout out kay Papa Updates, no. Subscribe kayo dyan, solid yan, no.